How to find CapCut templates. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So in this video I will show you the best 2 ways for finding CapCut templates. So as you can see here, I am already on my app on CapCut, but we will have to go out of here, go to your favorite browser and search for CapCut templates. Now, if you go to the first option on CapCut.net, it may not work because for me right now it doesn't work. It seems that it's not available in my country, so I will go with the second site, which is this one. Click on that, and if you scroll down you will find many nice templates for CapCut, like this one for example. If you click on the play button, you will see how the template is looking like. And if you want to use it, you will click on use template in CapCut, which I will do right now. Now click on use template from the right bottom corner. Then you will have to add here a picture or two, or even a video. Then click on preview from the right bottom corner. And here is how our video looks like. And now you can export it on TikTok or where you want. And now the second method to find CapCut templates is going to your TikTok app. Go to your homepage, click on the search icon and search for CapCut templates, and there you will find many templates. But if you go to just CapCut to their TikTok account, you will see that there you will find also many templates. For example, this one. Just if you click here on CapCut editing made easy, and then if you click on open CapCut, and then you can also search and scroll through TikTok, and if you find a template that you like, you can use it from there. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because I'm posting every day. You can also comment in the comment section down below with your questions, with your thoughts, and I'll make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.